Welcome to Seoul, Korea, and welcome to the Aiden by Best Western Cheongdam. So Best Western brought us out here to give you a hotel room tour of this new concept because it's brand new and we want to tell you what it's all about. Aiden is a trendy new collection of modern suburban boutique hotels where no two hotels are alike. It's casual, comfortable, and has some modern features. So welcome to our kitchenette. We have ourselves an adorable welcome package that they put together for us. Fridge full of Korean beauty products. These are some beautiful little lip tints and it's really cute. It's adorable. Plus a deep sleep pillow spray. So the interesting swirly design that you see on the exterior of the building is designed to look like a stack of towels, which is meant to represent the hospitality and great service that you would receive from the Aiden. And this motif runs throughout the entire building. On the carpet, on the ceiling. So each Aiden is unique in that it reflects the spirit and the style of the area that the hotel is located in. This one is located in the Gangnam district, which is a super trendy area full of fashion and shopping, design, and art. So to represent this, the hotel has a lot of high-end, unique art pieces scattered throughout. We even have an in-suite laundry machine, which I've never stayed at a hotel with an in-suite laundry machine for. And if you don't get a room with in-suite laundry, there's still coin-operated laundry that you can use. In this lovely lounge area, you can just sit back, read a magazine. But that isn't the only cool thing we have in our room. A wireless phone charger. There's a banquet room for hosting events. We even have this super luxurious toilet that has a bidet, heated seat, nozzle positions, auto flush, a dryer for your, you know. So for dinner tonight, we're eating at Le Cabaret Dansant. It is the rooftop lounge and bar on top of the Aiden. So it's gonna give us amazing views of Seoul. Plus, we are having a 7-course dinner with wine. We have our first course already. Let's dig in. Grilled lamb chop, sirloin steak, and fried chicken. Matt, you are in for a treat. So the food here is French with a Korean twist to it. Dessert time, last meal. Let's finish this off. Strawberry shortcake, some fresh fruit. Good morning. We are eating at Livy Place. It is the on-site breakfast buffet restaurant on the 3rd floor of the Aiden, and we've got ourselves a feast. So we plated a couple dishes for you to show you what kind of food you can get at Livy Place, because there is a solid mixture of Korean and Western foods, as well as they have a live chef that will prepare hot dishes for you. So I got a rice noodle dish, and we got some omelets and fried eggs. It's lunchtime and we're back at Livy Place because not only is it a breakfast buffet, it's also an a la carte menu for lunch. So let's dig in and eat our lunch. See my excellent pasta twirling skills. It's like a really nice tomato sauce, fettuccine.
Ooh, it's a little spicy. Let's get some sour cream. That is my kind of lunch.
So there's a couple different room options. We're staying in the Aiden Residency Suite. This one is the Deluxe Double. And this one's the Aiden Quadruple Suite, complete with a Samsung air dresser. This thing is so cool. It's like a robotic dresser that will steams, cleans, sanitizes, and dries your jackets, blouses, wools. It's like magic. It is so cool. You are gonna look so good when you step outside those doors. You don't even know what to do with yourself. You'll look so good. So for dinner tonight, we're eating at 1313. It is a craft beer pub at the ground floor of the Aiden. So we got ourselves a edamame appetizer plus some IPA craft beers to drink, because obviously it's a craft brewery. We're gonna drink beer. Jen means cheers.
Your Korean is coming along quite nicely.
Let's go one word down. Well, that was very classy. So I've got a little bit of beer left to finish, and then we're gonna head back to the room. Good night.